All right, millionaires in the making. I just want to welcome you to Share the Wealth's funding company. I'm Slab, and inside of here is where you'll start your onboarding. If you're here, it means you're part of the automotive ecosystem, whether you're a vendor, event host, ambassador, a builder, entrepreneur, or even just a car addict looking to make extra cash flow from your credit. Joining us means you're ready to get access to funding the smart way without having to waste time or guess. Now, before we get started, there are 3 steps you need to complete so we can kick off your 30-day funding roadmap full throttle. For our lap 1, I need you to book your pre-qualification call. This is where we break down your goals, your current credit and business position, and determine what funding tier you're sitting at. Make sure you book that call so we can create your strategy or roadmap. After we get that pre-qualification call done with me, lap 2 is where we start your pre-approval process plus your 72-hour profile tune-up because money loves speed. This is where we see exactly where you stand in the marketplace. The moment you complete that step, your 72-hour profile tune-up begins. Credit optimization, fundability checks, and all the back-end prep before lenders see your profile. Now, for the last lap of your onboarding, I need you to download your funding roadmap that will be personalized and sent to you. You'll also get your breakdown of exact lenders we target, the order we apply, and why these lenders work best for the people in our automotive event space. This roadmap gives you a full transparency and helps you understand the road we're taking together, pretty much. Once you finish these steps with me, you're officially ready to ride. You'll start getting daily checkpoints or updates on your progress. We'll build out your lender sequence, your roadmap, and you'll know exactly what happens at each stage of the process. All right, money makers. Again, I just wanted to welcome you to the community. Now, to get the most out of this, I want you to introduce yourself in the group so we know who you are and what you do in the automotive world. Let's get you funded. Let's get to work.